Imagine a world where software development and delivery are as effortless as breathing. Welcome to the realm of DevOps. This is the latest tech marvel that's reshaping the software landscape. DevOps is the knight in shining armor, integrating and automating processes with unparalleled speed, quality, and reliability. Think of it as a master conductor, orchestrating a symphony of tools and practices that streamline the software lifecycle. With DevOps, bottlenecks are a thing of the past, and seamless collaboration becomes the new norm. But why does it matter? Well, in a world that's rapidly digitizing, this innovative approach gives businesses the competitive edge they need. It's not just about doing things faster, but doing them smarter, better. So what's the secret? It's about creating a culture where continuous improvement is the name of the game. It's about fostering a mindset that values feedback, learning, and adaptability. In the grand orchestra of software development, DevOps is the maestro, leading the charge towards a future where innovation never stops. So tune into the rhythm of DevOps and watch as it transforms the digital landscape right before your eyes.